And we are live. Good morning. Good morning. The time is now 7:54 Central Standard Time. And we are looking at the NASDAQ in the futures market. What y'all looking at now is basically my chart being marked up in the previous days. Um, and right now we're currently in um, the 7 o'clock candle. This candle got about 6 more minutes. Well, less than 5 minutes left in this candle. This is the hour chart. So each candle it represents 1 hour of data. Right now we had a big push from this area. We had a big push from this area, and I'm gonna clear my chart so I can mark it back up. Yeah. First thing that I see right now is a huge area of support. Huge area of support. Um, Followed by this level of support form. The market seems to continue to make equal lows. If you was on my live yesterday, or you went back and watched my live, I spoke about the market making equal lows right in this area. Um, I'll go ahead and yeah, market making equal lows right here. Here, I'll change the color so y'all can see it. Here and here. The reason why I call them equal lows because they failed to break to the downside more. I mean, break that structure there. So every time this market reached down to this level, it reversed and went back up. Reversed, went back up. Came down here, reversed, went back up. Formed a new area of support, which is the floor. We called it the floor yesterday. Went back up, came back down. Another equal low, went back up. So right now, um, my bias for the day, what I'm looking for, um, I will be looking for buys, which means I'm looking to buy the market back up um, into this area here, which will be considered the ceiling, aka resistance. Um, Currently, the market has broken structure right here. It has broken structure right here to the upside, which indicates that the market may be ready to go in and break through this ceiling here, through our level of resistance. Maybe even reaching up as far as this high to break this high. We got 2 minutes left in this hour candle, so I go ahead and drop down to the 30-minute. The market's also seeming to make a W formation. Got here, 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 and potentially to go higher. So that's what I'm expecting the market to do today. It may not do that. It's never guaranteed to go the way that you think it would. So I'm just gonna play it as it goes. Um, but yeah, that's my bias for the day. I popped in on live a little later in the day than I normally do. Because I just didn't want to continue making my live streams almost 2 hour long. Um, that's kind of tiring. So trying to go live closer to the time where I can find position and market opens. So the New York session, the New York Stock Exchange opens at 8:30 a.m. So we got about 30 minutes left before the market opens. And the guys up on Wall Street start trading. Because when I normally trade, I try to trade with momentum, meaning that other people are trading at that same time. That way, I won't have to sit in my trades too long. This candle right here, it was yesterday um, at 7:30 a.m., which was a news candle called CPI, which caused the market to create this huge candle to the downside. And if I would have got in on that, yesterday, man, could have made a lot of money off of this one candle. So with this candle right here, this was the 7:30 candle for today. Normally, the American news normally drops daily about 7:30. So it created this big push to the upside, breaking structure. Also leaving me an area of interest down and below right here. And I make that white so y'all can see the difference. But we're gonna drop down to the what I mean by by this being a 30-minute count chart. Each candle represents 30 minutes worth of data, just like the hour candles. The hour chart, each candle represents 1 hour worth of data. And this all the market is doing is basically telling the story. Um, for the people that don't really know it, that are not really familiar with the financial markets, the market moves in waves. It'll never go straight up and straight down. It'll go up, it'll trend up for a period of time, then it'll go sideways for a short period of time, and then it'll go continue going up or go down. Uh, for instance, I'll just change this to the line chart so you can see, and we'll zoom back out to the hour. As you can see right here, the market moves in waves, waves, waves. And if we can even go out even further to the 4 hour, zoom out. So you see it trending up, sideways, down, sideways, up, sideways, down a little bit, then back up. And that's just an example. We're not really going to focus too much on that right now. But for today's purposes, y'all guys want to see me make some money. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try to make some money. My goal today is to make about 1,400. So we'll just see how that can play out. And I'll leave my drawings on the chart just for visual purposes. And I am trading on a $50,000 funded account. My balance right here is currently at $51,609. My goal is to get this account to $53,000. That's why I said I got about $1,300, $1,400 goal for today to get that account to 53,000. I'm definitely expecting the market to at least reach this area right here, and I put my arrow there so y'all can see where I'm. I just seen the arrow. Yeah, I'm definitely expecting the market to go here. Move that over to the side. But now the market is it has broken through. It has broken through structure. So I'm expecting a retest to the top of that structure to give me a clean entry to the ups, and then that I can take a buy to the upside. I would like to see price to come back down to this box that I have here. That way I can get in on a tighter entry to take the market back up here. But we'll see. We'll see. And it probably won't give me that type of entry until about 8:30. As you'll start to see the market move in, big momentums like this or something like this. But for right now, we just sit and wait. We just sit and wait and let the market do its thing. Um, One thing that used to get me back in my early days, like I said, I've been trading for about 8 years. I've only just recently became profitable. So in those 8 years, I was just gaining a lot of experience based on my own experience losing a lot of money. I lost thousands of dollars, man, trying to get this thing right. I really wouldn't chalk it up as a loss. I just say I invested in my own knowledge, and I also invested in a couple mentors who taught me some good things, and I took what I could from each mentor and pretty much turned it into my own, kind of like my own strategy that suits who I am as a person, as an individual. One thing that was killing me for a long time was being greedy. I was being greedy in the market, trying to get rich overnight, um, watching YouTube all the time, watching some of my favorite traders make 10, 20, 30, $40,000 in one trade. And, I wanted to be that guy too, not knowing that I had to like really work on myself, and fight those inner demons on this journey. Um, for one, you gotta be disciplined, very disciplined, in this market, or it will eat you alive. Some people become depressed, um, all type of stuff, man. But it's very possible to get rich off of just strictly trading. It's very possible. But the thing about it is, you got to just trust the process, fall in love with your process. Instead of trying to make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a day, start off just trying to make enough to pay the light bill, enough to pay your car note. Like, scale it down a little bit, get consistent on being able to win trades. And then, go ahead and go for the gusto, run that bag up over time though. Guys, y'all make sure y'all like this video, share it with your friends, other people who may be interested in learning about stocks, forex, crypto, any of that. I'm considered to be a day trader slash scalper. I'm not really into holding my trades day to day, week to week, month to month, year to year. I'm trying to get in and get out within 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes, even an hour tops. Anything longer than that, man, is just not good for me. That's just not who I am as a person. I like to go ahead and, make my money as quick as possible so I can go on about my day. But the main thing, man, is going to be patient. What's up, Dave? Appreciate you for letting me know you couldn't see my screen. Let me see. Um, Let me try it again. Let me know if y'all can see my screen. Bet. Let me go back, man. Dang. Oh, so let me go wind it back a little bit. I'm gonna go hop up on the hour chart. So basically, what price has been doing has been creating equal lows. Equal lows. We got here. Market came down to this area, created a level of support, bounced off of it, came back, made another equal low, bounced off that area, went up, came back down, created another equal low, shot way up here, and it played consolidated and it ranged in the area, fell down, created another equal low right here, shot back up, formed another area of support, which is over here too, played in that area, and created another equal low right here. And news at 7:30 shot it up and broke structure here at my white line. So right now, my bias is I'm on buys right now, but I'm not just finna hop in. I'm trying to wait till price can fall back down into a better area where I can get a better entry. And I'm expecting price to at least reach here up to my green box to this area of resistance, which is also known as the ceiling. If you're thinking about, the roof in your house and the floor in your house. So this will be considered the floor. This will be considered this. So I'm just trying to take price down from the floor to the ceiling. As of right now, don't look like price really want to retrace a little bit, but um, like I said, the New York session opens at 8:30 a.m. So once the market opens, it may give us a nice little push down into this area. If it give us a nice little push down into this area right here, man, I'm gonna hop in and on 2 contracts, and we're gonna ride this boy back up. But it's just the hour chart. Hop back down to a lower time frame. This is the 15-minute chart. And like I said earlier, I guess y'all couldn't see, but prices the market is making a W formation right now, which definitely give me the indication that we are going to be buying today. So that's what I'm expecting right now. I see they probably gave us a little entry on the 5 minute. Like I said, the market broke through. Green mean up, red mean down. It broke through, came back down, retested the top of the zone, and it's gone. But I'm gonna be a little more patient and see if it comes back down in this area, because it hasn't done it on the 15-minute chart yet. But for sure, if it comes back down to this white line and it doesn't break below this white line, then I'm gonna hop in. Gonna hop in on 2 contracts, and y'all gonna see me make some money. Hopefully, I can make about 1,400 live on camera, probably. Hopefully in 2 minutes this time instead of 5. Try to break my record of 5 minutes today. But that's just me, trying to be a little hopeful. But we'll take it however they give it to us. Check something out. So the market is opening as a red candle right now. Let's see. We got this last 15-minute candle before the market opens at 8:30. I would never would I suggest that you enter the market right here at this point. Yes, it's buying right now, but check this out. You can enter right here, right now, and guess what? 8:30 hit the market, shoot all the way back down here. You can enter in right here if you want to, but guess what? At 8:30, the market might shoot all the way back down, and you might just blow your account, lose all your money because you got in too early instead of just being patient. Being patient and just waiting on a better entry. And essentially riding it all the way up. If you rode it all the way up from where I got my box at down here, that would give us 250 points. $250 price increase. To put that in perspective, if I'm in on 2 contracts, which in NASDAQ is $5 a tick, give me 250 ticks at $5 a tick, 2 contracts, meaning I got 2 $5 plays in, which equal $10. 10 times 250 will give me $2,500. That's just quick math. That's just based off of me. What I'm saying, knowing how the market works. I'm gonna definitely teach y'all that in the Discord. That's why I try to tell y'all, go ahead and get in on my Discord channel, man, while it's free, because I'm definitely gonna be dropping some gems in there. Definitely gonna be dropping some gems. But for right now, for trading purposes, man, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. Not try to go too far into details on what's what, because I don't want to get y'all confused, especially for the ones who don't really know much about, stock market, futures, forex, crypto. But as y'all see, the market kind of wants to fall back down. So we just gonna continue to be patient. We're gonna wait till that 8:30 candle hit. And once that 8:30 candle do its thing, then we're gonna do our thing. So if the market comes back down to this white line, I'm 10, I need about 140 points. Yeah, so I need about 140 points today. I need 140 points to hit my target. That's if I'm mathing right. But we'll see. It may be a whole lot less than that. I gotta check the math. It may be a whole lot less than that, guys. 0.25 is a tick. Yeah. I actually won't need much of a move now that I think about it. Let me me see something. So I'm expecting price to come back to retest the top of this line or this box. So we'll just see. We got 10 minutes. 10 minutes left before the New York session opens. Stock exchange. Again, right here, this green candle, this big green candle right here was a news candle. It was a news candle. That's why it shot up like that. You only get big movements in the market in two separate occasions. First occasion is when the market opens, and then the second occasion is during news. Like this big red candle right here. This was yesterday's CPI news. Um, this big candle right here, man. The way I've been trading with two contracts, this could have been like a $10,000 play, $20,000 play for me. Just this one candle, But I didn't trade CPI news. I caught a trade actually down in here, around 8 something. Yeah, about 8. I think I caught the 845 candle right in there on the sale. And I just got in for a couple points and made about $400. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, get this. I guess I can't. Anyway, ain't worry about it. Like I said, the market is making a W. So I'm already knowing it's gonna buy. I just gotta find a good point of entry, a good entry point. It's about 8:22 a.m. We got about 8 minutes. A little less than 8 minutes before the market opens. Hopefully it give us an entry. I hope it give us an entry, because bro, if it give us an entry this morning, I'm telling you, y'all gonna see me make about $1,400. And once that thing hit 14, I'm getting up out of there. I don't care where it go from there. I done learned from my time being greedy, trying to get more, and I don't even need more. I just need what I want for the day, and I'm gonna get what I want for the day. The Lord willing, I'm gonna get it. A quick little term that I'm gonna throw out there for y'all: FOMO. 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 That's a good term to take throughout your lifetime journey and whatever you do. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. Fear of having a fear of missing out, man, will have you doing stuff you don't need to be doing, man. Have you taking losses unnecessarily because you scared to miss out. Just be patient, man. Your time coming. Your time coming, man. I done blew a lot of accounts because I was scared to miss out on the trade, so I was trying to go ahead and get in, not knowing that as soon as I get in, I'm finna lose all my money because I'm getting in at the wrong part of the trade. I'm getting in at the wrong point of the market. That's why I said, man, when you start on your trading journey, man, it's more so spiritual journey too, because you got to look yourself in the mirror. There's some things about you that you probably gonna have to change up. But for the ones who already, know themselves, man, just trade just like your personality is. Trade what's comfortable to you. Don't be out here forcing trades that ain't there. Um, we got 5 minutes left in this calendar. I understand that you're new to this and it's gonna take some time, but big brother MTG, I got you. All you gotta do is do what I'm doing, and you're gonna make some. You're gonna make some money. We're gonna lose too, though. So don't beat me up if you see me outside, man. Don't beat me up, because it's designed to lose, just like it's designed to win. Just know if I ever lose you some money, we gonna make it right back times 10. Nobody's perfect. Right now, I done made today Thursday. I didn't trade it. I traded Monday, but I didn't live trade Monday because I was just testing the market. I made probably like $15 or something like that. I traded Tuesday. Tuesday was a huge win. Made $1,000 in 6 minutes. 5 minutes. I mean, 1K. I did that on live on camera. That was my first live stream. Wednesday was yesterday. I made 431 in like 6 minutes. So right now we 3-0. We 3-0, and I know a loss gonna come. So I'm just trying to really brace myself for that. I gotta look at both sides. What could happen. But potentially right now, man, I think we finna go 3. I think we finna go 4-0 today. 4-0 for the week. I'm sorry, 1-0 today. Y'all know what's so crazy? If I make this 14 a day, I'll be up 3,000 for the week, and I've been to hit my weekly goal. That's one thing I want y'all to do. Write down your goals, man, and break them down into daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals. From monthly goals, we're gonna go down to quarterly, and then quarterly we're gonna break it down to yearly. Clearly define it. Clearly define it, man. You can go in reverse. You can do yearly, and then from yearly you can do quarterly. Quarterly you can do monthly. From monthly, weekly to daily. And we just gonna focus on the daily goal, the small goals, what I'm saying, day to day, which add up to, the weekly goals, which ultimately feeds, the monthly goals. So I mean, you get what I'm saying. As your big brother, I'm gonna hold you accountable too. Feel free to share your goals with me. Every goal that you set is realistic because you thought about it. You know what I'm saying? You put a plan behind it, So from that plan, we just gotta, execute. No excuses. We gotta execute. For a long time, man, I shied away from really stepping out on faith and trying to teach this thing, man. But I always had a passion for it from day one, man. Like it's like love at first sight. You know what I'm saying? It was like that. I came across a couple little channels, man, and I just couldn't stop. I just couldn't stop, and I just knew it was for me. And when you know something for you, man, can't nobody do nothing to take it from you. So I just had to get my knowledge up. That way I can give back. And that's my whole purpose of even starting Go Get a University. Really teaching people how to go and get it. Like we ain't finna sit out here with our hand out, trying to beg and plead people, man. We're going to go get it. We're going to go fund ourselves, man. And this is gonna be our vehicle to get there. At least mine's this futures market right here, man. This was gonna fund everything else that I got planned. As y'all can see, it just been playing between these two areas right here. So I'm gonna play with it in between them two areas. All right, here we go. Market finna open. Let's see what this candle do. See what this thing do, man. Let me drop down to the 5 minute. Let's see what it do. See this little right here. See what it do right here. If it above right here, without going down, I'm getting in for a buy. But I'm hoping it gonna just go down. We're gonna see. Like I said, I'm getting in on 2 contracts. And if it starts doing something crazy, I'm gonna get out quick. That's one thing we gotta learn how to do is when we realize we in a bad trade, go and get out of the save yourself. Don't sit there and hold it, hoping and praying on your knees, praying to God while you in the trade. No, man. He gonna sit there and let you blow your account. Come on, drop on down. I need you down in this area right here. But it's cool if you want to reverse right up. But me knowing me and me knowing this market, you're gonna probably break to the bottom. Let me draw my fibs on this. And right here, this just a tool, man. It's I don't focus too much on it. It's just for me and my mental. Um, I just really want to see how far price gonna drop down before it decides to give us a buy entry. Let's see what the 1 minute chart look like. Now, no cap. If it break right up here, that's where I'm gonna get in at. If it break above this candle. And if it do break above this candle, I'm gonna stop loss right down here. Okay, cool. Let's see what that look like on a 5 minute. Yeah, that's a big rejection right there to the top of that. And it may shoot on up out of there. Oh, let me see. I gotta hit my vape a couple times. Well, I gotta sit on my hands, y'all, because I've been about and this thing starts shooting down. I got 15 seconds left in this counter. Yeah. See, when candle broke, when candle broke right here, broke below right here, it broke structure. But normally what price always do at the 8:30 is give you a fake out. It's gonna give you a fake direction and then go to the direction that it really want to go to. So right now, um, I'm finna probably hop in on the sale because long term we are in a downtrend. But right now, just playing around. So hold on, just playing around in my zone. We making a new 5-minute candle now. This long doji candle right here, man, it's letting you know that the market really want to buy because the buyers and the sellers are fighting. But the buyers won because the candle closed green and to the top side like a spinning top. So big brother Marco go ahead and buy. But I want to be patient just to make sure because the market can do really what it want to do. Yeah, I'm finna buy contracts. And if it start going crazy, I just get out. Right now we down 175, 315, we down 450. Damn. So I'm finna get out. So right now I just took a loss. I just took a loss for $700. Yeah, 703. But it's okay though, because like I said, video before I even got in the trade, I knew a loss was coming. So I just need to be more patient. I need to be more patient. So right now we just gonna chill and wait for another entry. See, I saw how fast I cut that loss, man. I would have kept holding, man. I could have lost everything that I done gained the past couple days. The price is stalling out up there at the top though. I should have just followed my first mind and sold, but I don't know. You can never be too sure. And that was cool because that was me showing y'all how transparent I am, man. Like you can't be scared to take a loss. That's gonna come. But how you bounce back though? How will you bounce back? How I'm gonna bounce back is I'm gonna let the market play out a little more, and I'm gonna wait for a better position. Instead of having to make 1,400, I need to make about 2 stacks. And this little move right here, $700 loss. Just imagine when it start going right. We'll make that bet. That's another thing. Don't dwell on your losses, man. Don't dwell on your losses. Don't dwell on your wins. Stay even. Stay even through it all. Always remember you got your chart marked up for a reason. So let's see. And normally when the market do this type of formation, they give you a green candle, a spinning top, small red candle. That third candle normally gonna be a big red candle. But the fact that that price rose up here, broke structure right in here, I don't really want to sell right there. I'd rather just wait. Really ain't giving us too much movement right now. Excuse me. I'm glad y'all saw me take that loss though, so y'all can see how I recover. Transparency moment. Y'all see I ain't really tripping about it. Let me see what S&P market doing. See, they both doing the same. See, gold, gold ain't doing that. Go back up to the hour. Got about 16 minutes left in this hour. So what I'm really waiting for is for price to fall back down in here. It may not even do that. It may just stay right there as a retest on this 30-minute candle. And from right where it's at, it might play up to the upside from right there. So in perspective, let me get my to put it in perspective, market did this, it broke through. It came back down to retest. And we called it a break of structure and retest of structure. just so it can do this from where it's at now to so that's my illustration of what could be going on, which is cool. So we're just gonna be patient and we're gonna wait on this next candle and see what it do. Um, by it not really want to drop below here, let me know like it might be ready to buy. And I just got into early, like I was saying, just got into early. Yeah, I should already be in, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna be a little more patient because I'm a little more cautious because I just took a loss. So I ain't too trigger happy to just hop back in. Yeah. See, price just playing around right in here. Just playing around. And I don't want to get caught in that back and forth crap. That shit like a toxic ass relationship, just going back and forth with each other, man. Ain't nobody got time for that. What that old lady say, ain't nobody got time for that. Give me a real mood, player. That's what I'm waiting on. Patience. Patience. I have to remind myself, be patient. I lost this 700, man. I gotta make a good run. I gotta make about 2,000, 2,100 to make my goal now. But we still got tomorrow too. See what the chat talking about. I really just want the market to do what it's gonna do. I really can delete this little box right here. I really don't need it. Yeah, when the market doing what it's doing now, all of this right here ain't nothing. All of this, uh, no trade, no trade. All of this, no trade. I didn't right here thinking that the market was ready to go and shoot up out of there, but it wasn't. Show me otherwise. It catfish me. It's this right here. It's this right here. It got me wanting to just chill for a minute, a little while longer. At this point, looking like it's giving us a head and shoulders pattern, but who knows what we want to do. It's finally giving us some momentum. It's finally giving us some momentum. So it broke through this line right here. Let's see what it do right here. I know y'all heard me speak on this pattern called head and shoulders. That seems to be what it's trying to form. Like I said, it seems to be. Um, if it does, that pattern will look like this: left shoulder, the head, shoulder, and to continue on. That would be what you would consider your head and shoulders. This line would be considered the neckline because price keep failing to break above it. So that kind of gives you an indication that price will, start to drop down. Um, I wanna get in on the sale, but like I said, I'm more cautious right now. But it's definitely giving us trying to give us an entry for the sale right now. That's what my sale would look like. You can go look at it on the line chart too. Yeah, left shoulder, head, and this is like you want to form the right shoulder. If it start to melt, if price start to melt, I'm gonna get in on the sale. Just laying it down. Step away. Take this phone call real quick. What's up, Jason? I had to go let my dog out. Yeah, guys, no doubt this is gonna be a head and shoulders pattern because price is continually failing to break and make a new high right now. Um, I'm gonna get in on one contract on the sale just for right now. And I'm gonna just quick scalp it just to get buffer my account back up. Um, right now we're up about $70. We up 140. 175. I see it right here. We up 290, 315, 375. Like I said, I just got in too early last time, man. Um, like I said, I don't really trip out the losses because of stuff like this. Um, back in with two contracts, but I didn't. Um, I'm just in for one contract. I'm gonna let it ride for a second. I'm probably finna get in on another contract. Yeah, I'm in on another contract, and we just gonna let it see what it do from there. Um, I like that push from that area up here. Um, I really want to see price continue to do its thing to the downside. Um, so I had to get out because of that big pullback. That big pullback, I should have just closed when I was up about 400. But what's crazy though is I'm gonna let y'all sit here and watch the market continue to melt down. Yeah, what I should have done was continue to just hold at one contract. By me getting in on two contracts, it took my account down too far in the drawdown. Let's see how much I lost for the day. Yeah, I'm down $1,167 for the day. So today, today is a considered a loss for me. Um, I'm not gonna be mad uh, about it, even though I know prices finna continue to drop. Prices definitely finna continue to drop. I'm gonna just leave it alone for the day, but I'm gonna let this play out a little longer just for y'all can see. What I was doing was I was hoping that the price was just gonna go ahead and melt and not play around, but it obviously wants to play around. So and this look at it, man. Just that's crazy. Look at it. Look at that. That's crazy. It went down and then it came all the way back up. Just so it can go back down again. And that's the part where it you gotta have your emotions in check. Like because some people will be freaking out right now at this point. I ain't freak out. It's too much. I should have never got in on that second contract. I should have just kept that one contract and got out when it got down in here. But y'all see, I was spot on with my analysis. That's why I said we got tomorrow too. Like it's not a race, man. It's a marathon. You know, see what it looked like on the 1 minute. Yeah, so it's just gonna continue falling down, but it just want to do it slow because it's continued to break structure to the down. It broke it right here, just a little bit, and that's a concern for real because it should have broke it with some momentum, but it didn't want to do that. And that's just how the game go. Like you can't come in here thinking that you can be invincible and that you're gonna win every trade and that you're gonna be right all the time. You're gonna take some losses, bros. You know what I'm saying? Real bosses take losses and they bounce back from it. You know. So in hindsight, though, first trade I put in for buy, I lost on. That was the wrong direction to be trading. But the second position, I took a sell, and that was the right position. And this is the position right here. What happened was I got in one contract right there, and the market went down to about right in here, and I got in for a second contract, and it started to come back up. But the thing about it is, like my account, I couldn't hold that. You know what I'm saying? All that drawdown. I ain't trying to blow my account. And y'all see it. Price is starting to melt. You know, price starting to melt. I want to let y'all sit here and watch the whole melt, but for time constraints, I'm gonna end this video right here. Uh, I'm gonna reflect on it today. I'm gonna come back strong tomorrow. We'll be live again tomorrow. Um, Probably around 7:30 again. Tomorrow is Friday, which is gonna end the trading week for me. The market is open Monday through Friday. Um, I don't do no trading on the weekends. But that's it, man. Make sure y'all plug in on the Discord. Plug in on the Discord, man. That'll be it for today.